how to recover deleted chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can recover deleted chats on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two likely things you could be talking about, whether it is, let's say, that someone has actually unsent a message that they sent you. So let's say when someone sent you a message, they happen to unsend that message and you want to see that message, or maybe you happen to delete the chats, the whole chat like this, and then you want to restore that chat. Well, the only way you can do the second process is whenever you try to log in again and then you find the restore button, or you can just go to, let's say you're trying to see an unsent message. For that you can open up settings, and for this you don't have to install any third-party apps. Just go to notifications, then go to advanced settings, then just go to notification history. Here you just want to search for WhatsApp over here. When you search for WhatsApp, you will see all the notifications and everything you receive from WhatsApp, and then from here you should be able to see even the unsent messages, and then you can recover them. This way you should be able to recover deleted chats. But if you are talking about, let's say, the whole chat, they have to do that while restoring your messages. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.